New fuse board with changeover switch. Variable speed drive for washdown pump. Vacuum pumps. Hot water dairy geyser. Oil tank upstairs. Hot supply and warm water out to pit. This is dairy. Inch solenoid valves on automatic washer. 3/4 inch valve for filling the tank for first wash. Automatic control for solenoid for his plate cooler. Washdown line for washing Wellingtons. Hot and cold taps. Hot and cold for bulk tank. All fed from water softener and booster pump. This is the new parlour. Inch-and-a-half galv washdown line. 1 inch drops every 4 units. Staggered on either side. So this is the loft area. This is oil tank for his hot water. Two 2,500 litre tanks for his washdown. 5 horsepower washdown pump. Booster pump. Tank for booster pump, which is filled through a water softener.